Inside this video, I'm going to show you how to do affiliate marketing on TikTok the easy way. I'm going to show you how to earn commissions fast so you don't have to wait months in order to earn money on TikTok. And then I'm going to show you how this can be set up in just minutes by creating simple videos on TikTok promoting affiliate programs. And lastly, I'm going to show you a couple methods inside this video where you don't even have to show your face in order to make money with affiliate marketing. So stay tuned to the end of this video to see that method. I'm going to be showing you 3 different affiliate marketing strategies on TikTok. This is going to be 3 different affiliate products that you can go ahead and promote with different TikTok accounts. I'm going to show you ones with high commissions and easy approval rates so that even if you're a beginner with affiliate marketing, you can get approved to promote these products. These are just some of the results that I have had on TikTok doing affiliate marketing. So the strategies I'm going to be showing you in this video do work. So the affiliate marketing strategy for TikTok that I'm going to be showing you inside this video is going to go like this. First, we're going to start off with the free traffic that's on TikTok. We're going to send it to a landing page, which is going to be like a Linktree account. And then we're going to send those people from the Linktree over to our affiliate product. And that is how we're going to make commissions on TikTok using affiliate marketing. Before I show you the first method, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to the channel. And without further ado, let's jump into the first method of making money on TikTok with affiliate marketing. For our first method, we're going to be promoting a product on ClickBank. If you're unfamiliar with ClickBank, it's an affiliate marketplace with a bunch of different affiliate products that you can easily become an affiliate for because their process for approval is very simple. All you have to do is just create a free ClickBank account. So go ahead and just click on Start here. And if you haven't done this already, there's going to be a bunch of different survey questions. Once you get to the end of those survey questions, it's going to ask you for your email, hit the submit button, and that's how you're going to create your free ClickBank account. After that, click on the login button and log into your account. Then once you're inside ClickBank, go ahead and click on the affiliate marketplace. That's going to open up the affiliate marketplace where you can apply to promote any of the products that you find inside of the marketplace. For our first product inside of this video, we're going to go down to the spirituality niche and click on that one. Then scroll up and find this soulmate sketch right here. This one is doing great right now on TikTok, and that's exactly why we're going to be promoting this product on TikTok. So go ahead and click on that to open it up. And this is going to show you exactly what it looks like. So this is going to be a soulmate sketch, and people pay roughly around $20 in order to get this sketch. And as you can see here, the average price that you make every single time somebody purchases through your affiliate link is going to be about $20. So in order to promote this product on TikTok, what we have to do is click on the promote button, and then you have to add your account nickname. After you do that, go ahead and click on create hop link, and then just copy this link right here. That's going to be your unique affiliate link that we're going to be using on TikTok. Then you want to head over to linktree.com, and that's going to allow you to create a landing page that looks a little bit like the ones that you see here on the screen. So go ahead and just sign up for free for a Linktree account, and I'm going to show you how to set this up step by step. So now we are inside of Linktree, and as you can see, you can actually customize your Linktree to look however you want it to look. So we could do that inside of the appearance section here. Pick an image for our profile, and I recommend just using the same image for your TikTok account, and we'll get to that shortly. But what we are really interested in is the link section. This is where we're going to be adding links to our Linktree account. So what you want to do is click on add new link, and you should have copied that affiliate link from the step before. So go ahead and call this soulmate sketch. That's going to be the title of the link, and then after that we want to add the URL. But you notice if I add that there and I try to save it, and as you can see here, Linktree actually does not like ClickBank links. So what we need to do is head over to bit.ly.com, and this is where we're going to basically mask or hide our affiliate link. So go ahead and just sign up for free. It's completely free to sign up for Bit.ly. Once you've done that, go ahead and log into your account. After you do that, go ahead and just hit the create button and add your affiliate link right here. After you do that, all you have to do is just hit create, and then you have a unique Bit.ly link for your Linktree. So now I can go ahead and edit this link, and we're going to delete it, and then I'm going to paste in my Bit.ly, and as you can see, Linktree actually accepts this link, and we're all good to go when it comes to our Linktree. So then you could actually just copy your Linktree address right here, and we're going to be using that inside of our TikTok bio. And we're going to be creating an account just like quotes.manifestation here. As you can see, they have 81,000 followers and 1.3 million likes, so they're getting a lot of engagement on these types of quote manifestation videos. And as you can see here inside their bio, they're actually promoting the soulmate here, and they have it inside of a Linktree. So if you open up Linktree, you can see that they're going to be promoting the soulmate sketch right here. If we open it up, it's going to show us the same product that we're actually promoting on ClickBank. So you know that this strategy is working for them, and it's going to work for you too. So go back over to TikTok, and what we're going to be doing is creating short 7-second videos that have a video in the background and then text on the screen. And you can actually do the text inside of TikTok itself, or you can do the text inside of Canva, which is where we're going to be creating our videos. So head over to canva.com and go ahead and just log in. If you don't have an account, go ahead and sign up. It's completely free to use the Canva free account. Once you're inside Canva, go ahead and just type in TikTok. And you'll see inside of the template section that we have TikTok video right there. So go ahead and click on that, and then click on create a blank TikTok video. And now we want to head back over, and we want to see what they are doing that's working for them. So if we see here, they have a bunch of different videos. Here's one of rain, here's one of a candle, and you can see that they're actually reusing a lot of their videos. So this one with the rain, this one right here has incense. So they're doing a lot of different videos that make people feel peaceful. So we're gonna go back over to Canva, and we're gonna go ahead and look for those type of videos. So I'm gonna go ahead and type in candle, and then I wanna click on videos, and this is where we're gonna find all the candle videos. Now I actually do have the pro account, so I can use these pro videos of candles, but if you don't have that, then you can use the free videos and just drag and drop them over here to Canva. And right now this video is too long, so we want to drag this video to about 7 seconds long. After that, now we can go ahead and add text, just like we saw back over on the manifestation quote page. So as you can see, they reuse this in about 7 to 12 minutes. They will text you, I love you, interact in 3 ways to claim. So this is a popular quote that they use on their videos. So we're gonna go back over to Canva, and we're gonna add that quote via text. So what I wanna do is I wanna head over to the text button, and then I want to add a heading. And this is where I'm gonna go ahead and copy and paste that text over to Canva. So as you can see, it's really easy to add text to these videos, but if you'd rather do it inside of the TikTok app, you can do that instead. I just wanted to show you this method of creating it inside of Canva, and we're getting about similar results as to the quotes.manifestation page. So after you create these videos, you can go ahead and download them and upload them over to TikTok, and make sure to do that about 1 to 3 times per day. And in every single video, go ahead and just promote the soulmate sketch that's going to be inside of your bio. Now with TikTok, they do sometimes recommend that you have 1,000 followers before you can add a link to your bio. So in order to get around that, what you could actually do is just have your Instagram linked inside of your TikTok bio, and then just tell people that the link is on your Instagram account. And that's how to get around that 1,000 follower rule. The next method of making money with affiliate marketing on TikTok is going to be making videos inside of the Make Money Online or the finance niche. There's so many different affiliate marketing programs that you can promote inside of the Make Money Online niche, and the most popular product and the best one in my opinion is going to be Legendary Marketer, which is an online marketing education system, and they actually have a product called the 15-day online business builder challenge. So many people are having success promoting this product on TikTok, including myself, but there's also an account here called Twin Key Hustle, and they actually made $40,000 in 3 months just by promoting the 15-day business builder challenge on TikTok. And as you can see, if we scroll through their page, some of the type of videos that they're creating is 7 companies hiring for remote workers, new remote jobs here. 4 months ago, they started talking about their journey, how we market digital products, 15-day challenge videos, no phone jobs. So they do a lot of different online remote job videos, and that actually gets them a lot of different views and brings people into their ecosystem so they can teach them about affiliate marketing and the 15-day business builder challenge. If I click on their link here, it's going to open up an opt-in page that's definitely promoting the 15-day business builder challenge, and they actually created this page themselves, but you don't actually have to do that if you don't want to. You could actually just join the 15-day business builder challenge, and I'll go ahead and leave a link for that down below this video, so you can click on that link and join the 15-day business builder challenge. And then once you're inside the 15-day business builder challenge, it looks like this. You can actually go to the account page, and then you can actually become an affiliate for Legendary Marketer in the 15-Day Business Builder Challenge. And inside the affiliate dashboard, you actually have over here these different funnels that you can promote. My favorite is the Business Challenge Light theme. This is going to be one of the most popular types of funnels that you can promote using TikTok traffic. So you go over here to affiliate links, and then this is where you could actually find your affiliate links to promote the Legendary Marketer products, specifically the 15-Day Business Builder Challenge. So let me just go ahead and show you what this looks like. I could copy this link here and I could paste it into my browser, and it's going to open up the 15-Day Business Builder Challenge. And this is actually going to reveal a video, which is going to do all the promoting for you. So you really don't have to sell this product. All you have to do is just send people to this landing page, and it's one of the easiest products to sell right now on TikTok. So if you're interested in joining, go ahead and check out the link down below and you can become an affiliate, and you can expect to see similar kind of results if you follow the big creators inside of the finance niche and create videos similar to theirs. The third method for making money with affiliate marketing on TikTok is going to be promoting software products on TikTok, because these short little tutorial videos do very well with the algorithm. As you can see here, this account is called Canva Tutorial, and they teach Canva tips and tutorials, and they actually have a lot of followers and a lot of likes. But if you click on their beacons page right here, it's going to open up a page that looks a lot like Linktree. But as you can see here, try Canva Pro for 14 days free. This is going to be their affiliate link, and they actually make a decent amount of money every single time somebody signs up for Canva Pro using their account. As you can see here on Canva's affiliate website, you can earn up to $36 for each Canva Pro subscriber that signs up with your unique referral link. So every single time somebody signs up, you can make upwards of $36 for that sign up. So that's a lot of money, and all you would need would be 3 signups per day to make $100 a day on TikTok affiliate marketing. So what I recommend doing is picking a software like Canva and creating simple tutorials around that software. You can actually just take some of these videos and do your own spin on them, take the ideas and create similar hacks and tricks with these different softwares in order to get people to sign up using your affiliate link. It's one of the easiest ways to do affiliate marketing, and you don't even have to sell the product because you're just creating tutorials around it, and people are going to sign up for it if they want to use your tutorials. Now, if you want more in-depth training on how to build an affiliate marketing business on TikTok, I recommend checking out the 15-second free leads program. I'm going to go ahead and leave a link down below this video so that you can sign up for the 15-second free leads program. It's only $1 to sign up, and there's a lot of value inside of this 15-second free leads program that teaches you how to do affiliate marketing on TikTok, and for only $1, it's really worth it. As you can see here, after taking the challenge, Barry actually made his first sale on TikTok. Right here, Linda actually had 308,000 views only 7 days into starting her TikTok account. And as you can see here, here's another 10,000 views in the last 7 days. So people are getting results just by taking this 15-second free leads program. So I highly recommend it, and I'll go ahead and leave that down below inside the description. And if you want more content from me, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out the videos that are coming up on the screen now. I'm David, and I talk all about affiliate marketing and how to make money online. And you don't want to miss any of the videos that I'm going to upload in the future, because I'm dropping a lot of tutorials on how to make money online. So go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you guys inside of my next video.